10 stylish cookbook display and storage ideas. Storing cookbooks on the countertop is ideal for books you often use since they'll be easily accessible. An old crate adds vintage character to the room. An even simpler option is lining the books against the backsplash using bookends. This cookbook display idea requires a little more planning if you don't already have built-ins, but it's well worth the investment if you have space. To replicate this look with existing built-ins, arrange your cookbooks by color or place them on alternating sides of the shelves. If you have more than 10 cookbooks and a wide enough kitchen to accommodate another piece of furniture, this DIY project repurposes a vintage sideboard. It creates a kitchen island with a functional bookshelf. Try this in your kitchen by simply removing the doors to your salvaged furniture and add some hooks on the side. Consider this cookbook idea if your small kitchen is lacking storage space both on the countertops and within the existing cabinets. Since cookbooks aren't a necessity, it makes sense in a small kitchen to keep your display as minimal as possible. Implement this IKEA hack by utilizing the Beverage spice rack to create a functional cookbook display. If you have a wide enough entryway or can spare losing a cabinet, update an existing kitchen Peninsula by adding shelving at the end for your cookbooks. The open shelving makes sure your cookbooks are a focal point. Make sure you put some time into arranging them. Open shelves are trendy in kitchen design right now, but you must learn how to style them. Cookbooks make exceptional filler items for this purpose. The only drawback is that depending on how you style the shelves, the books may be difficult to access. Keep your most used cookbooks on the lower shelves and stored vertically. If your kitchen has a pantry, see if you can designate one of the shelves for cookbook storage. As other ideas have demonstrated, group your cookbooks by color to make the display more eye-catching. Also, just about anything can work as bookends for this idea, so get creative. If you want the look of open shelving but don't have the means to rip out existing cabinets, remove one of the doors. Give the inside a fresh coat of paint, and you'll be able to style your cookbooks without having to spend a ton of money updating the kitchen. There are a lot of baskets and trays on the market that will work perfectly for creating a cookbook vignette on your countertop. But before you go out and buy something, look around your house. Perhaps you have something vintage you can repurpose, like this dish drying rack. The space above the fridge poses a challenge for many of us, especially if our fridge isn't under a kitchen cabinet. This family recreated their existing blank space above the refrigerator by building a cookbook shelf. The very top section functions as a wine rack. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.